Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 2.3, Problem 22. This is Section 2.3, Problem 22. It says determine if the fractions are equivalent. And we have 10 over 18 is one of the fractions, and 4 over 12 is the other fraction. So we could reduce each fraction to its simplest form and see if those results come out the same. Or you can multiply the numerator of one fraction times the denominator of the other, and the numerator of the other fraction times the denominator of the other. So if we do that and see if the results come out the same, they'll be equivalent. If the results do not come out the same, they're not equivalent. So going one way, we have 10 times 12. So 10 times 12 equals 120. Now, the other combination of the denominator of 18 times the numerator of 4, I'll have 18 times 4. Now, that might be a little bit big for everybody to do in their head, so you can go off to the side and multiply 18 times 4. Now, times 4, I would double the 18 twice. Double it once is 36, double it again is 72. That's the trick I would use. If you don't know that trick, it takes about a minute, not even. 4 times 8 is 32. Write the 2 from the 32, carry the 3. Then 4 times 1 is 4. 4 plus 3 more is 7. So there's the 72 that I was expecting. But at this point now, we see that the combination of one numerator times the denominator gives a 72, but the other combination gives a 120, and those numbers are certainly not equal, so these fractions are not equivalent.